Vanakkam. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all watched that base of this bag. Now, this is the continuous of this bag. So I am going to remove all this stitch marker. We don't need it anymore. Continue with this red stitch marker, that is the beginning of each row, so we need that. Now I am going to make one single crochet on each stitches. In this I got 49 stitches. Hope you also get the same amount of stitches. This back base size can be vary the number of foundation stitches. You can increase or decrease the number of chains, then your bag could be different size. Okay, let's see how it is. Enjoy your crocheting. I will finish this bag and come back to you. Back to the crochet. Now I have almost completing my stitches. The size of this bag is approximately 9 inches tall and 7 inches width. Done. I got 49 stitches here. So remove the stitch marker, put the slip stitch on the first stitch and finish it off. Now securing time, just secure your remaining yarn. On the next video, I will show you how to make the flip over on the bag, and on another video, I will show you the handle. Nandri, Vanakkam. Thank you for watching.